Thailand is a country filled with adventures waiting for you. One can create an entire bucket list just in this country. The list could literally go on forever. That is why I decided to help you out and narrow down a list for you. So, without further ado, here is the ultimate Thailand bucket list. Kicking things off with number 10. Attend a ping pong show. For those of you that think a ping pong show is two people playing a game of table tennis, you are way off. Go to Google and look up what a ping pong show in Thailand really is. I'll let someone else do the dirty work for me. Also, by no means am I advising you to make the local ping pong show your nightly hangout. All I am saying is if you are in Thailand, go and experience the show at least once. But hey, if that is what you're into, then go hang out at them every night. I'm not judging. Number 9. Try all the different street food. Thailand is famous for their street food. There are enough street food vendors selling a variety of food that you can go days just eating it. I recommend trying everything from the noodle soups to the pad thai. Even try all the different insects. Yes, you heard correct. There are certain food carts that will sell all different types of fried insects. They are actually not that bad. Maybe have a few beers and 1 or 2 shots before you munch down, but give it a try. Don't forget about the scorpions. That crunchy, salty creature goes great with a cold Leo. Number 8. Ring the bell. Most bars in Thailand will have a large bell for you to ring. Some might even have a huge air horn you can pull. When pulling the horn or ringing the bell, that indicates you are buying either the entire staff a shot or the entire bar a shot. Check out my video on Thailand's nightlife secrets to learn more about ringing the bell and other crucial nightlife advice. The link is up top anyways. Ringing the bell is a lot of fun and gets the vibe going in the bar. Give it a ring at least once. Number 7. Ride a Tuk Tuk. Tuk Tuks in Bangkok are basically motorbikes with a carriage in the back for you to ride in. Many drivers customize their Tuk Tuks so they can stand out in the crowd and get your business. Depending on the size of the riders, you can squeeze up to 3 people in there. Maybe even get a 4th if you put a tiny Thai girl on your lap. Many other cities have their own version of Tuk Tuks. Some have different names, but some will also be called Tuk Tuks. In Pattaya, they have what is called the Songtaus. Check out my Pattaya vs Pong video to learn all about Pattaya's Songtaus. Drop a comment on what adventures are on your bucket list. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. One lucky winner will be chosen at random to win a Thailand Total Access prize pack as long as you leave a comment. Subscribe and give thumbs up on one of the first 20 videos. Number 6. Attend a full moon party. Every month on the full moon, many cities throughout Thailand will have a version of the full moon party. But the one in which you need to attend at least once is the full moon party in Koh Phangan. I don't care if you are 25 years old or 65 years old. Get out to Hadrin Beach and experience a wild night. Or pull up a beach chair, get a bucket of alcohol, and people watch. Trust me, you will be in for a good show. The party will begin as the sun goes down and keep going through the sunrise. For simplicity, I find it easiest to get a room directly in the Hadrin area. You might end up paying a few extra bucks, but it's worth it. Number 5. Take the overnight train from Bangkok to Chiang Mai. There are many different forms of transportation between Thailand's 2 largest cities, but none are as exciting as the overnight train. The ride will take about 14 hours. There are plenty of trains leaving in the evening time and arriving first thing in the morning. Enjoy your air-conditioned cart with a full layout bed, privacy curtain, dining table, and even an outlet to charge your electronic devices. Get a good night's rest to the relaxing hum of the train. Then wake up to a delicious breakfast while watching the sunrise over Thailand's beautiful landscape. Number 4. Spend a few days in a non-tourist town. Many travelers and backpackers that explore Thailand only end up going to the main cities that are known for their tourism. These cities are great fun and have lots of activities to do, but some of these cities lack the true Thai culture. Venture off the beaten path and find a city where you are one of the only tourists. Live the way the locals do. eat the food they eat. Really immerse yourself in the Thai culture. It's an amazing experience you need to try. If you can find a small village that will take you in, that is even better. I promise you, you will make memories that will stick with you for the rest of your life. Number 3. Celebrate the Thai festival of Loi Krathong in Chiang Mai. This festival, in which Thai people are wishing their sins away and making wishes for the upcoming year, takes place throughout the entire country. But the largest celebration takes place in Chiang Mai. Thousands of people gather in streets and light off lanterns into the sky. Some people even call this the Lantern Festival. The entire sky of Chiang Mai is filled with glowing lights from the lanterns. This might not be the most environmentally friendly activity, but it sure is beautiful. Also, make sure to plan your trip accordingly, as this festival takes place in November, but the exact dates are different each year. Number 2. Take a boat tour through the islands. There is not a better way to spend your day in the tropics of Thailand than out on the clear blue water. Tours are usually either a full day or a half day, depending on what you're looking for. They have tours that can be nice, relaxing, scenic adventures, or they also have tours that will get a little crazy. Loud music, drinks flowing, swimsuits, optional. Let the fun begin. Whatever you're looking for, there will be some type of tour for you. I highly recommend a tour that will let you do some snorkeling. Thailand has some stunning aquatic life to explore. Please make sure to check out our other videos on this channel for all the updated Thailand travel tips you could ever imagine. We are here to make sure you are smiling during your stay in the land of smiles. Now, let's get on to our number 1 bucket list activity, which is celebrate the Thai New Year, also known as the Songkran Festival. This festival takes place every year on April 13th, but is usually extended for at least 2 more days. Some cities will even celebrate it for more than 3 days. There are many Thai traditions that go along with the new year, but the activity everyone talks about is the water fights. In many cities, Songkran is literally a non-stop, multi-day water fight. From water guns to buckets to 50-gallon garbage cans, water is being squirted everywhere. Don't leave your room during this festival if you don't want to get wet. It is one wild party that you will never forget. Or maybe you will forget. That just depends on how much you have to drink. Thailand is a country with a plethora of bucket list adventures. Stay tuned for a part 2 video in the future. This list has just begun. But anyways, thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video. Chok Di.